Okay, we were doing the chapter energy. Last time I talked about potential energy, kinetic energy. Formula also I have given. Potential energy formula is mgh. Kinetic energy formula is half mv square. Unit of any energy is joule. Energy is a kind of work done actually. Energy is a kind of work done. Whenever there is a height, there will be potential energy. If question asks you how much is the work done by the body or how much is the work done to lift the body to some height, that means kind of potential. We are storing potential energy in it, then we can do mgh. Work done formula also will become mgh in that case when there is a height given. And if a body is thrown with some velocity, how much is the work done to move the body? Because that means body is having velocity, that means body will have kinetic energy. We will find kinetic energy and that only will be the value of its work done. If question asks you find power, first we'll calculate the work done and we'll divide by time. The last time we had done some problems. We'll do a few more and then we'll start the last part of this chapter we'll do. Okay. Write a question. A body of mass 10 kg. A body of mass 10 kg. A body of mass 10 kg is raised to a height of 20 meters. Is raised to a height of 20 meters in 5 seconds. In 5 seconds. In 5 seconds. We stop. Calculate number one. Calculate number one. Potential energy is stored in it. Potential energy is stored in it. First part, potential energy is stored in it. Second part, number two, the work done in raising the body. The work done in raising the body. And number three, the power developed. And write under bracket the value of G 10 meter per second square. Write down this value, G value. Okay, now let us do it. First part we have to find potential energy, right? Potential energy formula, you know.
So what is after G? So what is after M?
M S minus 2. S to the power minus 2. You have to find potential energy. The potential energy formula is mgh. We put the value of mass of the body. How much given? Tell me what is the mass of the body given? How much is the mass given?
10 kg. 10.
Right. You can add information. Mass is 10 kg. Height is given 20 meters. And G value is already known. So I'll put the value. Mass is 10. G value is also 10. This is 20. Answer is coming 2000 joule. This is answer. First answer. Second part, we have to find work done. Work done will also be the same, right? Work W is equal to same value, 2000 joule only. Same formula, mgh, and the value also comes. This energy is stored into the work done only. So work value also becomes same value, 2000 joule. Third part, power. Power formula, we have work upon the time. Work value is 2000 and time given in the question is how much seconds? 5 seconds, right? 5. Cancel, you get 400. Unit of power is watt, W. Denoted by capital W. That we had. Yeah, that's the answer. Power value is coming 400 watt. Work is 2000 joule. Understood?
Sir, W is what, no sir?
This W as a unit means watt, and here W as a symbol we are using. Okay, in the formula, then W means work. But as a unit, W is watt, W-A-T-T, watt or joule per second is that, joule per second, the SI unit. Okay. Now the next question, right? Write a question. Calculate the amount of work done. Calculate the amount of work done for throwing a piece of stone, for throwing a piece of stone, for throwing a piece of stone of mass 2 kg with a speed of 10 meters per second, with a speed of 10 meters per second, with a speed of 10 meters per second in 20 seconds. We stop. Find also the power developed. Find also the power developed. Okay. That is the question. This is question number 2. How to do? Let us write the information. Mass is given how much kg? 2 kg. So let us write that 2 kg. Speed, that is velocity, is given 10, right? 10 meters per second here. When mass and velocity given, what energy can we find? We can find kinetic energy. And that kinetic energy is the value of work done, because with this energy only we are doing the work. And whatever work we are doing on the body is moving with that velocity. That is turning into its kinetic energy. That means we can write here, first find kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is half mv square. Half mass is 2, velocity is 10 square. These two can cancel. 1 into 10 into 10. Answer is coming 100 joule. Therefore, work will be also 100 joule. Work value is also 100 joule. That is the first part of the question. Now you have to find power. So power formula, you have work by the time. Work value is 100. Time given in the question is how much second? What is the time given? 20, no? What is the value of time given in the question?
Sir, 20.
Write 20 here. Cancel, the answer become 5. Unit of power is W, capital W, watt. 5 watt. How much is the power developed? The answer is 5 watt. Okay? Have you understood? Have you
Yes, sir.
understood?
Yes, sir.
Now give next heading. Law of conservation of energy. Law of conservation of energy. Law of conservation of energy. Please write down the law. I think most of you know the law. Do you know the law? What is law of conservation of energy? Share with me if you know. Okay. I'll tell you first and then I'll dictate. Okay, listen. It states that the energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can only be changed from one form to the another form. Did you know this? Okay, write about it. Statement you write now. It states, S-T-A-T-E-S, it states that the energy can neither be created, it can be destroyed, nor it can be destroyed. nor it can be destroyed, but it can be changed. But it can be changed. But it can be changed from one form to the other form. But it can be changed from one form to the other form. It can be changed from one form to the other form. So this statement is called law of conservation of energy. What is the meaning of this? That means the energy of a system always remains constant. Energy is neither lost or never lost, nor it is gained. Whatever energy we supply, from there only the other form of energies will be available. Or whenever you see the energy is being lost or energy is decreasing, actually energy is not decreasing, rather it is changing into the other forms of energy. Suppose whenever you see kinetic energy is decreasing, then it must be changing into the potential energy, or potential energy is decreasing, so actually there is no actual decrease take place, it changes only into the kinetic energy. Or in some situation we see electrical energy we are using, consuming. So energy, electrical energy is lost, but actually it is not lost, it will change into the other forms of energy. So this is called law of conservation of energy. Okay, now give next heading, transformation of energy, transformation of energy. What is the meaning of transformation of energy? That means change of energy from one form to the other form of energy. We know there are various forms of energy. We got sound energy, light energy, electrical energy, mechanical energy. Then we have nuclear energy. So many forms of energy we have. So energy changes from one form to the another form. This is called transformation of energy. So we have to know the cases or situation like where the particular kind of energy changes into the other form of energy. I think most of you know that based on our common observation, I talked about an electric bulb. In electric bulb, can you guess what energy change takes place? In electric bulb, what energy conversion or energy transformation takes place? Do you know? In electric bulb, we supply electricity, that is electrical energy. And what do we get from the bulb? We get light. That means we say in electric bulb, electrical energy changes into light energy. What conversion taking place? Electrical energy to light energy, or we say electrical to light. Have you understood or not? Boys? Okay? Hello, please do respond, one of you at least.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me another example. Another example, okay.
Okay,
I
sir.
talk about an electric heater. Can you tell me what energy conversion takes place? In electric heater, what energy conversion?
Sir, heat.
Say no.
Sir,
Electrical to heat. You say that, no? Yes, electrical to heat energy. Yes, very good. Electrical to heat. Now tell me in fans, electric fans, what energy conversion takes place? In electric fan, what energy conversion takes place? Say.
Sir,
Electrical energy to motion. No, motion means mechanical energy. You say
yes,
electrical
sir.
to mechanical. Electrical to what do you say? Mechanical. Okay. Tell me in
Yes, sir.
washing machine, what energy conversion takes place in washing machine?
Sir, light, electrical energy to, sir, mechanical energy.
Very electrical to Because in fans, we use motor. Motor means electrical. In motor, energy conversion is electrical to mechanical. So, and motor is used in fans, in washing machine, in even motor vehicle also they use motor only. So that motor means electrical to mechanical. Okay, now tell me in microphone, what energy conversion takes place? Say,
Sir, electrical energy to sound energy.
no. In microphone, just think yourself. In microphone, first you speak. No, first you speak. That means sound, and that flows through the wire. So in microphone, the energy conversion is sound to electrical. To electrical energy in microphone, but in speaker, loudspeaker or any kind of speaker, their electrical energy changes into sound. Understand what I'm saying? Because the speaker gives you sound which you hear, and speaker works on electricity. No, like the electrical energy changes into the sound energy in speaker, loudspeaker or any kind of speaker. Have you understood what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Boys, tell me once again, be very sure. In microphone, what energy conversion takes place in microphone? Come on, tell me. In microphone, what energy conversion takes place?
Sound energy
Sir,
to
sound
electrical.
energy to sir electrical energy.
Electric. Very good, very good. Please do remember, don't get confused because. And in the speaker, what energy conversion? In the speaker?
Sir, electric to sound.
Very
Energy.
good. Very nice, very good. Okay, now tell me another. In burning candle, what energy conversion takes place? Guess and tell me what energy conversion would be taking place in burning candle. Think what energy conversion is taking place in the burning candle.
So heat to light.
Heat to sir.
Electric. I see. Light is correct, but not heat to light because the candle is made up of what chemical, no? Candle is made up of chemical. You say chemical energy into the light energy. What energy conversion?
Yes, sir.
Chemical to light. Yes. In geysers, what energy conversion takes place? In geysers.
Sir, equal to heat energy.
Very good, very good. Electrical to heat. In toaster, what energy takes place? What energy conversion?
Electrical
toaster?
to heat energy.
Very good. Electrical to heat only. Very nice. Okay. Now, in a generator or in a dynamo, generator is also called dynamo. What energy conversion takes place? Tell me. In a generator or a dynamo, what energy conversion takes place?
Energy to electrical energy.
Which energy? Which energy?
Sir, mechanical energy to electrical energy.
Very good, very good. Because turbine moves over there and generates electricity. So mechanical to electrical. In a generator or in dynamo, mechanical energy changes into electrical energy. But in motor, the reverse happens. In motor, electrical to mechanical, just the reverse. Like microphone and speaker, they are reverse of each other. Okay, tell me, during respiration, what energy conversion takes place during respiration? When we are respiring air, what energy conversion takes place? Tell me.
Sir, can you tell again,
What
sir?
conversion? Respiration time. What energy conversion takes place? Tell me. When we are respiring, no, like breathing. So what energy conversion takes place?
Sir,
Yes,
mechanical to energy.
Mechanical, what it has to do with the motion? You are respiring air, no? You are breathing oxygen and air and all. So what energy conversion takes place in our body?
Sir, no
Tell me.
idea.
Okay, no idea.
Sir,
Get the idea.
potential.
I'll give. Okay. No,
Sir,
no, no.
potential.
Potential is height. No. Potential is height. There's nothing to do with the
Oh,
height.
yes,
No,
sir.
no, listen. Respiration time, the energy conversion is chemical to heat. Chemical to heat. Because in our body, when we respire oxygen, no, in our body, chemical reaction takes place and it gives us heat energy. And that energy we use to do various work. That's why oxygen is very important. Respiration time, chemical to heat. You say that chemical to heat. Understood? Okay, tell me burning coal. Burning coal, what energy conversion takes place? Burning coal. When we are burning coal, what energy conversion takes place?
Sir,
Sir, mechanical to
sir, heat energy to chemical energy.
To heat.
Heat to chemical. No.
Chemical, yes, sir.
Actually,
Chemical to heat energy.
chemical to it. You are saying just the reverse, opposite. Coal is made up of what? Chemical. No, coal is actually chemical, carbon. Chemical energy changes into heat energy. It gives heat. Chemical to heat. Our fuels, domestic fuels, such as kerosene, such as again, so
Sir, your
made
net
up of giving generating heat. They are using for cooking purpose. We say chemical. Understand or not? Tell me. Yes. Hello. Understood?
Sorry, your voice was cracking a lot that time.
Hello.
Now, sir, we can hear you.
Okay.
Yes,
Burning
sir.
matchstick. Burning matchstick. What energy conversion takes place?
Sir, mechanical to heat. Light energy, sir, mechanical
What
to light
energy?
energy.
See, your matchstick is made up of chemical. Okay. At the tip now we have phosphorus. That is chemical. Okay. Chemical to what? What do we get from matchstick? What
Light
do we expect
energy.
to get?
Light
Not
energy.
light. Chemical to heat. Chemical to heat. Matchstick is used for burning something, for burning a candle, for burning a stove and all that, no? So that produces that heat, and that heat we are making use. Do we use matchstick for the sake of light? Answer is no. We use it for the sake of heat. So in burning matchstick, energy conversion is chemical to heat. Okay. Now, a car moving uphill, what energy conversion taking place? Tell me. A car moving uphill. A car is moving uphill. What energy conversion taking place? Kinetic energy. No, kinetic energy is changing. With this kinetic energy, is gaining in height. That is, kinetic energy is changing into potential energy, gain in the height. And a car moving down a hill, down a hill, that time potential to kinetic. Understood or not? What I say? Why?
Yes, sir.
Understood.
Okay. Okay, now we have a stretch bow. We have a stretch bow with an arrow. Okay. What energy is there in it? We say potential energy. Okay. Because it is at rest. We have changed the structure. On releasing the arrow moves forward. What energy conversion taking place?
Sir,
We
kinetic.
say
Kinetic.
potential to kinetic. Potential, because we have potential energy as soon as the arrow is released, the arrow starts moving. That means on releasing an arrow from the bow, what energy conversion takes place? We say potential to kinetic. Okay, now when we are winding a watch, some watch we do winding there, winding. We twist the spring there. That we call it chabi. We give chabi there, no, like manual one, not the. Nowadays we are using where there is a small battery over there. Okay, but in the olden time, the people used to use the watch where one needs to give wind one's watch. While we are winding a watch, what energy we are storing in it? The answer is we are giving kinetic energy and we are storing potential energy in it. While winding a watch, kinetic to potential, and unwinding of the watch. When the watch gets unwinded, the spring gets unwinded, then we say potential to kinetic. For a pendulum, this is an important one. For a pendulum like this, a pendulum is, bob is hanging with a thread. It is oscillating like this. This way it is oscillating. To and fro is going like this. What energy will it have over here? Potential energy. That will change into kinetic energy. And kinetic again will change into potential energy and the vice versa, like this. Potential changes to kinetic, kinetic to potential, again potential changes back to kinetic, kinetic to potential. It goes on like this. This way it goes on. So this diagram is important. Draw this diagram. This diagram is important. Copy this diagram.
Sir, I have copied
Copy the diagram.
already.
Yes, very good. So you have to know the cases now where energy conversion takes place. Okay, tell me, during photosynthesis of plant, what energy conversion takes place? Can you give the example?
Sir,
What
heat
energy
energy
conversion?
to chemical energy.
So heat energy to light.
Light, no, light. Photo means light. Light to chemical.
Sir.
Light energy to chemical, yes. Photosynthesis time, light energy changes into chemical energy. Okay, not heat energy, light. Light is needed, no. That's why the word used is photo. Photo means light. So sunlight will come and then chemical reaction will take place and the plants and all, they manufacture their food. Am I right or wrong? Tell me. That is called photosynthesis. Isn't it? Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
these
Yes,
are
sir.
the energy conversions. Yeah. Sometimes question may come in like this. Give one example where electrical changes into heat energy. Electrical energy changes into heat energy. Give one example. Can you give one example? Where does it change? Electrical to heat. You can suggest any one
Sir,
example.
heater. Sir, heater. Heater, sir.
Heater, electric toaster, geyser, microwave ovens. No, electrical ovens. So electrical to heat. Fine.
Sir, electrical
iron
kettle.
So there can be many examples we have to do. Yes. Yeah, AC also, alternative this AC also, like air condition also, yes. Electrical to light, in question comes. Give one example where electrical energy changes into light energy. What example you give? Electric bulb, tube light, any electric lamp. So any one of the examples we can suggest. Sometimes energy conversions will be given like from what to what, or sometimes an object will be given and they will ask you mention the energy transformation taking place in them. So that way, either of the way the question may come. Do you know cell, electric cell or called battery? Okay. What energy conversion takes place? In a cell, what energy conversion takes place? Do you know? Chemical, cell is made up of chemical. Inside there are chemicals. Okay. Chemical to electrical. We get electricity using a battery, using a cell. So chemical to electrical. But when we are recharging a cell, that time electrical energy changes into chemical energy. Again, we are storing the chemical back. So these are the energy transformation probably this chapter is over. Next day, what I will do, I will be writing some energy conversion in one important energy conversions, and we'll be discussing the question answer. Practically, the chapter is over. Okay. So today we are doing this much. Okay. Thank you, boys.